Okay, who do we have for mystery box? Okay, I have 2 people on the mystery box. 3. Interesting. I'll add 1 more because I like the slant that I'm seeing. Okay, so you can put the materials down, flip over your boards. You won't need the boards for a few minutes.
I have a double side.
That's okay. I'll see it. If you have a double-sided, I'll know. Okay. Riley, can you sit over here so you can see? Okay, so we're going to start with our Let's Discuss. So I'll read it first, then we're going to read it together. So all eyes are up here. This is very important today. When I look back here, I shouldn't see eyes this way, this way, this way. They should be up here. Because when you're doing your independent work, you might have questions. And I might be answering these questions right now. You weren't paying attention because you were being distracted by people talking. So you should be looking up here. Okay, let's discuss. How can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one 2-digit number from another? Okay, we're going to read it together. How can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one 2-digit number from another? Okay, so for a minute, with your partner, discuss. Do you want me to read it again? Do you understand the question?
No.
Okay, I'll read it again. So, how can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one 2-digit number? One 2-digit number is, for example, 17. Subtract one 2-digit number from another. So, subtracting 13 from 17. Okay, 17 is a 2-digit number. 13 is a 2-digit number. So, how can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one from the other? So for a minute, go to your partner and discuss.
How can I use what I know about tens
Who are you sharing with? One start, I'm going to listen. Come on, hurry up. What's wrong, son? You feel sick? You feel sick? Why are you so much hurt? Okay. Actually, I won't do sticks, I'm going to do slant, because we need some slants today. Let me see. Alyssa, can you share it with your partner, please? So I'll read it again for you so you have it fresh in your head. How can I use what I know about tens and ones to subtract one 2-digit number from another? So what did you discuss? One more time, but a bit louder, please. Palms up. Put them on the ground. Okay. Really? Okay, keep going. Okay, thank you. Okay, I like what Alyssa did. She looked back to the strategies that we've already learned about subtraction and about addition to see what might help her answer the question. Okay, so I'll give a quick explanation. So what can I use, what I know about tens and ones to subtract one two-digit number from another? I know that if I have 17 and I'm subtracting 13, I know that 17 has 1 10, 13 also has 1 10. So if I'm subtracting, I can cross out this 10. Okay, 13 has 3 ones, so I can cross out, I can subtract 3 from 7, and that can give me 4. So I can subtract my 10s together and my 1s together. Okay, so we're going to learn more about this today. So we're going to read the objective. So I'll read it first, then we're going to read it together. So all the materials should be down, as I said. And when I say down, I don't mean in your lap, on the carpet. All I'm seeing is the brown part of your whiteboard. Okay, today in math, I will subtract using two-digit numbers.
Today I will subtract using two-digit numbers.
Alfonso, can you stand up and read the objective first, please?
Today in math, I will subtract using two-digit numbers.
Okay. Riley, can you see 4 from there? Do you want to move over there maybe? Girls, can you let Riley in there? She's too close to the board. She can't see the board at all. So as I said, this is very important that you pay attention to this, because you're going to be using this exact strategy today. You're going to be using what you learned yesterday and what you learned today. Okay. So, I want to subtract 15 from 28. So 28 minus 15. So using the strategy, Zion, whiteboard on the carpet. So I'm going to use, first I'm going to use the strategy that I learned yesterday. So I'm going to draw my 28. So you're going to count along with me as I draw it. 10, 20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Oh, sorry. 28. So I have 8 ones, 28. Okay, so now, how many ones are in, so I'm going to say to myself, how many tens are in 15? So I know that there's 1 10 in 15 and 5 ones in 15. So I'm going to cross out, I'm going to use a different color so you can see it properly.
I mean, at this point,
Well, then
wow.
it's 3 pages.
Oh yeah, it should be fine.
Okay, so I'm going to cross out 1 10, one of these 10s, because 15 has 1 10. So I can cross that out. You're still tracking me. And I'm going to cross out 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm left with is the difference between 28 and 15. So count along with me as I count it. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So that's the strategy that we learned yesterday. You can do the same today. Another strategy that we're going to do, we're going to put our 28 and our 15 into our boxes. So first, I'm going to write in 28. So how many tens does 28 have? It has 2 tens. 8 ones. 15 has, everyone's tracking up here. 15 has 1 10, 5 ones. So I'm going to subtract my ones first, then my tens. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 13. So I know I'm right because I have the same as that. And then I can write my number sentence. The difference is 13. Okay, I'm going to model for you again. So 19 minus 12. I'm going to draw out 19. You're going to count along with me as I draw it. 10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
So I know there's 1 10 in 12, and there's 2 1s in 12. So I'm going to cross out, there's only 1 10 here, so I'm going to cross that out. And then I'm going to cross out 2 1s. 1, 2. And my remainder is the difference between 19 and 12. So count along with me as I count them. 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my boxes with my 10s and 1s. And I'm going to put in the numbers to make sure that I'm right. So I'm going to put in 19. It has 1 10 and it has 9 1s. Everyone's still tracking up here. And my 12 has 1 10 and 2 1s. So then I'm going to subtract my 1s, my 9 minus my 2. Dakota, put the board down. You're not using the board yet. Chloe, you need to be looking up here. Instead of drawing in your hand with the marker, put the board on the carpet. I think you might need pencil and paper.
Sorry, she do.
And why she got a marker in her hand and she's writing on her hand with it.
Who is that?
Chloe.
Chloe who?
Play with C.
Oh, well, maybe we can just miss Zair's birthday today then. That sounds good to me.
Okay. I'm subtracting my 1s, so
I'm
9
serious.
minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I know I'm right because I did it twice and I got the same answer. So then I can write my number sentence. The difference is 7. Okay, I'm going to do one more and then you're getting an opportunity to do it. Thank you, Alfonso. Okay, I'm going to do one more and then you're going to practice. 29 minus 16. So just because Miss Maitland left the room, that's not an opportunity for you to be playing on the carpet, Jaden. Okay, I'm going to draw.
Can I just interrupt real quick? Again. Zair's birthday party, it's not part of the curriculum. It's not part of school. That's an extra privilege. So if you choose to not follow the expectation, you will choose to forego the privilege. Simple as that. And it's not funny either.
So I'm gone beyond giving a warning at this stage. So anybody else who doesn't want to go to Zair's birthday, I'll just write their name down here. You can sit on the tables over there. Maybe do some math. Okay, I'm drawing 29. So count along with me as I draw it. 10,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Okay, and I'm subtracting 16. So 16 has 1 10, so I'm going to cross out 1 10 and 1 10, 6 1s. So count along with me as I cross them out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
My remainder is the difference between 29 and
The halftime PE sub is available today. The halftime PE sub is available today. Thank you.
okay, Alyssa.
What? do they have the same set in the first one and the last one?
Say that again. Can you stand up and say it loud so I can hear you? I can't hear you.
Why do they both have the same set in the first one and the last one?
Which one are you talking about? This one, or this one?
I'm talking about the one.
Let her talk. I can't hear her if you're talking also.
28 minus 15 and 29 minus 16.
Why are these similar?
No, why? No, it's the same. Why do they have the same sum?
Why do they have the same sum? Because look, the difference between 29 and 28 is only 1. The difference between 15 and 16 is only 1. Look, this is going up 1. This is going up 1 also. So, bring up. Okay? Okay, one last question, Dakota.
Like what we...
I'm trying to listen to Dakota. Arbel, sit down and slant. Antonio, give him back his marker. Yes, Dakota.
Like when we go to our paper, do we have to... Is the pencil much track on it or we will
Yeah,
have
I'll
to...
show you. So this is your independent worksheet. So you already have your boxes. Everyone's tracking up here. You already have your boxes. You also have another page where you can draw. You can do this. You won't have room on your page here to draw this. So you can draw on this page here. And it's numbered 1 to 18. These are all numbered 1 to 18 also. Okay, so now it's your turn. 1 second. We're going to move on to your active involvement. Okay, so you're going to subtract 13 from 17. So 17 minus 13. So you can draw it first and see what number you get. Then you can do your boxes. If you need me to come around and draw boxes for you, I will. But I want to see you drawing it first. Yes? You have to what? Yeah. Do you have a board and marker? There's a board there. Second. Okay, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do this one, and then I'm going to model it for you.
Jaden, come here, please.
1 second. There's a marker there. So you're going to draw it first. You're going to draw your tens and ones first. Show you.
C.
Draw your tens and ones first. You're going to draw your tens and ones first, and then you're going to use your boxes. Don't go straight into the boxes. I want to see people drawing their tens and ones and crossing them out. Not going straight into the boxes. In your independent practice today, you're going to be doing both. You're going to be drawing your tens and ones, so you might as well do it now as practice. You alright? Okay. Does anybody need some help?
Yeah.
You want to come over here? Or actually, look, we go over there. Stay there. Arbel, come over here. Here, I'm going to do it quickly because we only have 30 seconds left. Okay. 17. Minus 13. Watching? Are you watching? Arbel, you should be watching this, not just standing back there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Minus. Are you watching me or are you doing it? Watch me. Crossing out 110. 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. What have I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1. 17. 7 minus 3. Arbel, are you watching? 7 minus 3.
Yes, ma'am.
4. 1 minus 1. 0. 4. 4. So same.
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to check.
This time it's 4.
We're going to check and see, do we have the same? So I'm going to draw my 10s and 1s. Everyone should be tracking up here to make sure that you got the same as me. So I'm going to draw my 10s and 1s. You're counting along as I draw it. You're counting along as I draw it. 10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17. Okay. And now I'm going to cross out. How many 10s are in 13? Alyssa. How many 10s are in 13?
How many times are in 13 is
1 10. So I cross out this 10. How many 1s are in 13? Riley.
3 ones
Spirit.
are in 13.
So I'm going to cross out 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. So my remainder is the difference between 17 and 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I'm going to get somebody to come up and write in the box. Let me see. Get one from the tub over there. So let me see, do you want to come up and write in? Okay, so everyone should be tracking Dynasty. She's going to do it. Here. So she's going to write in her 10s and 1s. Everyone should be tracking up this way. Here, you're going to fill this in. 17. So 7 minus 3. 7 subtract 3. What she write comes up if you got the same as her, 7 minus 3. Okay? Next one, 1 minus 1. Comes up if you got the same as her. 4. Okay, so are they the same? 4 and 4. So I know I'm right. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to get somebody else to come up and draw. Actually, I'm going to give you an opportunity to do this one. 29 minus 12. Let me take these pages off. I can't put that back on. Okay, 29 minus 12. So on your whiteboard, you're doing this one. 29 minus 12. I'm going to give you... I'll give you 2 minutes to do this one.
I did all mine.
You did all yours? Let me see. Does anybody need me to draw the boxes for them? No, you're good?
Okay.
1 second. Don't forget to write your number sentence at the bottom. Okay. Next time, you can just do 1 and we figure, and then you just
Come up to my classroom ASAP.
instead of doing all.
Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Right, okay.
Yeah, you have to draw the line.
Okay.
The answer is
29.
the
Hold on. Here, Arabella, look. You need to watch this now because this is very important. So, 29.
This one is 4. That is going to be 2.
How many, sorry, how many tens are 29? 2 tens. So, 10, 20,
That is the difference. That is the height. That's the difference.
8, 29.
See?
How many tens are in 12?
F-E.
1. So I'm going to cross out
Difference is
this 10.
D-I-F-F.
How many 1s are in 12?
9. What's your
2. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2.
Sydney, you just got 5 points. You're a player of the day.
Whatever
Excellent job.
whatever I have left over, that's the difference. Have that look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the difference is 7. You go. Yep. Okay. Everyone should be tracking up here. Okay, Jocelyn, can you come up and draw the 10s and 1s and cross out whichever ones you need? You go. So draw your 10s and 1s. Draw them big so everyone can see. So everyone should be tracking up here, seeing if they got the same as Jocelyn.
Yeah.
So then you're going to count them to see what you've got left over.
Yeah.
Equals. You can say equals here. Just write equals. Equals 17. Okay. Thank you, Jocelyn. Okay, I'm going to get somebody to come up and use our 10s and 1s boxes. Riley, can you come up?
Good job, Riley.
So we're doing this one still. So we're going to write in 29. I like the way Alyssa is sitting. She's going to get on the mystery box when I get my hands on it. So I'll do it right now while Riley's doing that. Okay, subtracting 9. Okay, subtract 9 from 2. So 9 minus 2. Jocelyn. Okay, Yitri, you're definitely on a warning. Zoe, I've talked to you several times this morning. So 9 minus 2. So write in 7. And 2 minus 1. Okay. So did we get the same number? We did. Okay, so I can write in the number sentence. Thank you, Riley. I'm going to write in my number sentence. So you should be writing in your number sentence as you go along for all of them. So that.
Here, can you be back by 10?
Okay.
Is that okay?
I'll come back.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
So the difference is 17. Okay. Did everyone get this? 17.
Yeah.
Thumbs up if you got this. Thumbs to the side if you still are not sure.
I got that.
Is that to the side? It's okay if it's to the side. I can come around and help you. Okay. Okay, I'm going to send you back to do your independent work now. So, you're still tracking, you're still listening to me. I like the way Jocelyn hasn't moved a muscle. So you're going to work on your independent sheet, so I'll, just to clarify, you're going to draw your 10s and 1s on this page. You're still tracking up here, Zion. You're going to draw your 10s.